Every AI tool on Earth will do your kid's homework. This one refuses, on purpose. This is Socratic is an AI tutor with one unbreakable rule. It never gives the answer. It only asks the next question. Watch a real session. The student gets it wrong, and instead of correcting them, Socratic asks the question that exposes the mistake. This is the tutor's notebook, a live model of the student's thinking, confidence, hint depth, and the exact misconception it just diagnosed. And when the student demands the answer, it holds the line warmly and keeps them thinking. When they finally solve it, every insight is credited to the student, because they did the thinking. One click creates a report for teachers and parents, misconceptions caught, support needed, even whether they asked for the answer. Students watch their own independence grow. Fewer hints, session after session. Private, on their device. Socratic Moment, built with Codex and a Fireworks-hosted tutor model. The tutor that never tells. The AI tool schools can say yes to.